New idea of Hyundai elevator. Clean moving solution. We use elevators every day. How can we use it easier and safer? A cutting-edge technology to increase the convenience and keeping you and people around you safe. The foot button type calls the elevator by recognizing the movement of the foot by a sensor mounted on the bottom of the hall button. As the world's first patented product, it enables convenient and easy use of the elevator, even in the situation where hands are tied up or it is inconvenient to use hands.
매번 배달 갈 때마다 물건 내려놓고 버튼 눌러서 허리도 아프고 힘들었는데 이거는 발만 대기만 하면 문 열리니까 아주 좋고 우리 택배 기사들이 아주 좋아할 것 같네요.
Intuitive recognition is possible by displaying the detection location on the floor, and a notification sound is sent when the elevator is called successfully. In addition, by reducing the frequency of use of the hall button, damage and contamination of the button can be minimized, which may lengthen the lifespan.